Another day, another hour. We're in the studio. We're busy cooking. You can't imagine. I'm going to take you through step by step, starting an RC channel. RC channel.
I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no. Haters gonna hate, I love to keep them motivated.
Just a freestyle. This one is a drop, hit the pavement. I'm a one. Afrodust racing. Afrodust RC. Oh, this is going to be fun. As you know, you've seen me fixing up RC cars and you're wondering, what is this guy doing? When I'm done doing the art and illustrations and music and all these other things, sometimes on the weekend, I like to build things with my hands. I like to do model planes, make RC cars, break them up, fix them, upgrade them, and all these other things. So that's a hobby. I decided I want to start an RC channel. I had started one before. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Collins and this is...
I'm Julian.
I wanted to do it with my son, but I thought, maybe you need to find your own path. This is my path and I cannot force it on you. So that in the future, if he's interested, he can incorporate that channel for his own stuff. Okay, let's do this. Boys and girls, welcome to our channel.
Welcome to a boy club.
To the RC Club.
RC? What?
RC Club.
RC? What?
But I thought Shuja is nice, but I want something just out of the blue, something fun. So Afrodust, because it used to be my gaming name. There was a time I had a season of afros, so I also keep afros. I had the big hair. I loved the name and I called it Afrodust because I used to leave people in the dust when I was to play Asphalt way back, or Need for Speed, or whatever game that needed. If it was racing, oh man, I was to be badass. What do you mean Afrodust? Yeah, I left you, and the only thing you saw at the back was the afro. So anyway, Afrodust was born. The name was dope. I had Shuja RC Club. Yeah, it was taking long and it wasn't there because I could not get the parts in Abuja. I had to order them through Jumia and they used to take long to get the parts. So I wanted to be around a place where I can be able to access parts. That's the most important thing if you're having an RC club, is to be able to access parts so that you can be able to do upgrades, you can be able to fix, you can be able to build your own. And once you've built your own, you can be able to take them on the track, or you can take them wherever you're going, on a park or somewhere where there's a bit of off-road, and you can do your crawling or your racing or no. That being said, we're jumping in. I'll show you the illustrations that I've done. Uno, dos, tres.
Back in the mix.
Stress. Freestyle session. CG the artist.
Back in the mix. Haters gonna hate, I love to keep them motivated. Know how it is.
I'm a legend, I'm a myth in the making. Find me in the marsh pit bugging. Mean face mugging. I'm the whole damn thing. Cut it a cook, we be hanging from the ceiling. Chasing loops, fruity loops, got me dizzy. See my shine, that's the crystal lights.
Haters gonna hate, I love to back in the mix. Haters gonna hate, I love to back in the mix. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no. Haters gonna hate, I love to keep them motivated.
Just a freestyle. This one is a drop, hit the pavement. Maybe I need to separate and CG. The artist will be just for the art that I do and the creativity that I do, and then have the other on the Afrodust channel so that I can be able to showcase my RC cars and drones and everything that I fix, and the journey and the episodes as I go through the ups and downs of creating a club and what it takes, to the point where maybe I'll start having events, t-shirts, brands and everything, and working with sponsors. Let's say I can approach Tamia and tell them, hey Tamia, we're doing this and this, you want to work together and collaborate. So that is the long-term plan.
problem. Don't go too high where it will fall. When you're a good driver, you know where it can go and where it cannot go.
Ladies and gentlemen, bado tunasonga. I'm your host CG. Today we'll have some Swahili classes. Songa meaning we move. Bado, we are still moving. Bado tunasonga. So we keep on moving. Twasonga. And that's life. That's our goal is to keep on moving. Whether it's your career, health, exercise, just basic, just move. Get yourself out there, man. Twasonga. Bado tuko mbele tunasonga, right? Bado tuko mbele tunasonga. Bado tuko mbele tunasonga. We keep on moving. Twasonga. Bado tuko mbele tunasonga songa. We keep on moving. Twasonga. Bado tuko mbele. We keep on moving. Twasonga. Niko kwa mat nikikam, nipate hapo stage nikigonga. Twasonga. Twende dere pole.